Hello students, today we are going to see the point process of election. This is third part of electoral process. If you are new to my channel, then you can see the previous video of electoral process. I have given the link of my previous videos in description box. Now we are going to see part 3. Let's start. The process of elections. The process of elections. Number 1. Establishment of constituencies. Second. Finalizing voters list. Third. Nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination form. Fourth. Election campaign. Fifth. Actual voting. Sixth, counting of votes. Seventh, results of elections. And eighth, resolution of disputes regarding elections. The first process of election is establishment of constituencies. The Election Commission has to establish constituencies. Once it is done, all the remaining process will go smoothly. What is constituency? Constituency means a group of voters in a specified area who elect the representative to a legislative body. Election Commission has to establish the constituencies. This is the first process for the election. The second process is finalizing voters list. Election Commission finalizes voters list. Election Commission has to study about the existing voters and new voters who have completed their 18 years and enrolled their names in voters list. And afterward they have to finalize the voters list. The third process of election is nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination forms. Each and every party who want to contest the election, they nominate their candidates. Nominate candidates who has to fill up the nomination forms. Election Commission scrutinize their form. If candidates are not having any faults, then their names are declared as a candidates. Their forms get scrutinized in detail and afterward their names are declared as a candidates. The next process is election campaign. The political parties starts the election campaign. In order to contest the election, each and every political party starts election campaign or run election campaign. Through the campaign, they can urge the people for voting. Now, the next process is actual voting. The actual voting takes place on desired date of voting. This is the next step after the actual voting. Counting of votes start on desired dates. After the counting votes, Election Commission has to declare results of the elections. Now this is the last process of election, resolution of dispute regarding elections. If any kind of dispute occurs, then Election Commission has to resolve all such kind of the disputes. I hope you understood this point very well. If you understood this point, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.